How to make your own faux fur pom poms. Hi guys, I'm Kristen and welcome to Studio Knit. For our materials, let's first take a little trip to the fabric store. Look for the longest faux fur that you can find. And if you're only making a couple for yourself, you might want to check the racks to see if they have little faux fur samples like they do right here in this craft section. I'll have a link to exactly what I purchased below. Once you're back home, gather up some round dishes in the size that you'd like. So for small pom-poms, I'm using 4 inches in diameter, medium pom-poms 5 inches, and the largest at 6 inches. And get your sewing needle, thread, some sharp scissors, as well as a little bit of stuffing. In addition to this video, I have all of the steps for how to make your faux fur pom-poms over on my website, and I have a link where you can save this for later on your Pinterest board. So let's start crafting. Begin by marking a circle of the size that you'd like to make your pom-pom. Here again, I'm doing the large at 6 inches in diameter. And then carefully cut it out. Make sure you are cutting the fabric and not directly over the fur so that you have a little bit of a long fur overlap. Once you have your little round cutout, you'll see that the fur, since it's all going in one direction, is sort of overlapping the circle on one end. Thread your needle and have a double thread to kind of keep it a little bit more strong. Secure the beginning of your sewing by doing just a little cross stitch so that it stays in place at the beginning, since we will be cinching up. And then it's a simple running stitch all the way around the perimeter of your circle. And mine here is approximately 1/2 inch. Once I've sewn about half the way around, I like to begin cinching it up. It sort of just makes it a little bit easier at the end. Place your fingers in the middle of your pom-pom and cinch it up really tightly. Take your time. And then once you have it pretty well cinched up, go ahead and add your stuffing, continue cinching, and simply sew it completely shut and knot your thread. I like to attach my pom-pom with some thick yarn, and to give it a little bit of shape, I take a comb. This is actually my dog's comb, and it really helps make your pom-pom super pretty and shape it exactly the way you'd like it. Now here's a little trick to make a detachable pom-pom. Start by sewing a button on the inside of the top of your hat, and then simply thread your yarn through. And I like to just wrap my yarn around the button and tie it off. And this way it's really simple to detach your pom-pom when you would like to change things up or wash your hat. I hope you are inspired to make your own faux fur pom-poms. They look really cute on knitted hats, and I will see you next time, guys. Bye!